and welcome back to another video. This video is very random. It's just a chill, get ready with me to go run some errands kind of a video. There are a lot of makeup products and skincare products as well that I have been loving and reaching out for constantly. So I thought why not sit down and show you guys everything that I've been loving recently. So basically this video is just that. So I'm gonna put on some makeup and decide what outfit I'm gonna be wearing today, and I'm gonna take y'all along the whole process. If you wanna see what makeup and skincare products I've been loving recently, let's not waste any more time and let's get right. How could I do that? What is that? What is that? So let's just get right into it. I don't even have any words. So I already have a toner on, it's the same old one, but recently I've been loving this vitamin C and I've been wearing it non-stop. I even spoke about it in my transformation video. Take about that much. This is the vitamin C by CeraVe, and just to remind you guys, I have really dry skin and this is really gentle, very simple. It's just a vitamin C, a drugstore product. I love it. It literally feels so good on the skin and I highly recommend this one. Next up, I've been using the Invisible Daily Defense 60 Plus Broad Spectrum Sunscreen Face Serum. It's this new range. I even have the sunscreen, but this one literally no white cast or anything, completely gets absorbed into the skin. It's basically sunscreen but in a serum form, and I have been loving it. I've been wearing it non-stop. It's very gentle, again doesn't break me out. First of all, I need to put my hair away. Oh my god. Okay, I look like an idiot, but it's fine. It's fine. Post that, I've been using this for over 3 weeks now, and this is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream for extra dry skin with hyaluronic acid. This one is the Hydro Boost. The Hydro Boost Gel is basically for people with oilier skin types, but this one is their variant for dry skin, extra dry skin people. It's still very lightweight, because even though I have dry skin, I don't like really thick moisturizers, because I tend to get sweaty here and here whenever I use really thick and really thick. Why did I say thick 8 times? But you get the point. Really thick moisturizers, because they make me sweaty, as I said. But this one, oh my god, this one makes you feel, you can see how supple my skin looks, but it's so lightweight at the same time, and really little goes a long way with this product. I am in love. I don't even have words. I wear it during the day and the night, and I wake up with really supple and nice skin, as you can see. I think I was the most excited to tell you about this product today. I love it. I love it. So I have fallen in love. This concealer is everything, and everyone needs this concealer. This is the Wet n Wild Incognito Mega Last. I don't know how Wet n Wild does it. This concealer is $4.49, $5, under $5 to be precise. It's so good. I'm in the shade Medium Honey. The color match to the texture, it doesn't even crease on me, and it's so light, but the coverage is so good. You're gonna see in a second. And it has that flat kind of an applicator, that really flat, and it's little, so you can use it in these corners. Oh my god, I can't even begin to explain how much I've been loving. I have forgotten about all the other concealers that I have. I've not even looked at them. Also, look, this brush. This is the EcoTools Precision Foundation Brush. It's this angular, really dense, but really soft. It's not pokey on the skin at all. And this blends cream foundations and concealers like magic. Where are the brush strokes at? Where are the brush lines at? Please tell me where. First of all, this concealer, oh my god. Also guys, I'll add a clip here of me like 7 to 8 hours later. It wears so beautifully throughout the day, like it's not drying. And I have dry skin. I have so many fine lines like at 25. I don't even want to imagine what I'll look like at 50. Any concealer from the highest end concealer creases on me. Like this $5 concealer doesn't crease on me. I don't understand it. I really don't. But all I know is that I am in love. I'm just gonna add a little more because I haven't been sleeping. Thanks Netflix and Stephanie Su. I have gone inside like this rabbit hole of Stephanie Su. That woman can hold your attention. If you guys don't know, she's this YouTuber that does mukbangs and does crime stories on her channel, and she says stories so well. I have gone in a rabbit hole. Like I watch her all day, all night, and I haven't been getting much sleep because after like listening to these crime stories, I'm so spooked out. Like I don't even get sleep. I need to stop doing that first of all. So I just add a little more concealer to hide my money bags and dark circles. I got this powder in a BoxyCharm and I started using it again, and I realized that this powder is actually really amazing. Especially it's so fine, you need it in your life, you really do. So I'm just gonna lightly set my under eyes, very lightly, and my eyelids because I put some concealer there as well. Yeah, I've been loving this powder. I've been reaching for it. Like, don't get me wrong, like I'm still very loyal to my Fit Me, but this powder is also like really good. It's just that I hate that it's so messy. Like the packaging is so bad. Like it's a very cute concept and very cute like packaging, but very like not clean. Literally so much wastage. Like even when I'm trying to shut it, you'll see like so much powder fly away. Today it didn't happen because I like shifted them inside. Next up, we have this amazing bronzer. This is the Putty Bronzer by ELF, and guys, you need it in your life. This was $6. It's cream to powder, and even the color, I think I'm in the shade Golden Days. When I looked at it in the pan, I was like, is this like a little orange for me? When I looked at it in the tub, I mean, but it's not. It's perfect. So this is cream to powder. So unlike other cream products, this one's okay to go on like powder. Also, for all the people judging me for getting this dressed up just to go run some errands, get a life. Get a life that's your own. Just wanted to put it out there. If somebody wants to put makeup on to go run some errands, it's their face, it's their choice. So you can judge all you want. You didn't pay for this. So that's just something I wanted to say. Okay, moving on. Next up, I have for you this Essence Sun Club Matte Powder Palette. You get 4 shades, and I do like bridal makeup sometimes, so I find it better to have like palettes where I have options for different skin tones. But for me personally, I mix these two because this one's really dark and this one's really light. These are matte. I love that. And yeah, as I was saying, you have one life, so put makeup on if you want to go run some errands. If that's not your thing, you do you. And I've been liking this shade a lot on my eyelids, and you will see why in a second. It just adds that natural depth. That's it. Nothing crazy. It's perfect. And I like to extend it outside a little bit. That way my eyes look like, you know what I mean. I don't know the word for it. For blush, I have been loving, I should have put this before because it's cream, the Bobbi Brown Powder Pink. It's just this cream blush, but it's so beautiful. Such a pretty color. It's like this very warm toned pink, and I love warm tones on my skin tone. It looks beautiful. Love it. I love this blush so much. So much. So much. Love it. Extremely patchy right here, but it's fine. For brows, I have really been loving the Rare Beauty Brow Gel. You get a gel right here and you get a pencil on the other side. So it's like a retractable, angular thing. Only thing is that when you take this out, you get a lot of product out. But yeah, you just put a little bit, like just slightly set your brows, and yeah, you're done. It looks so good. This time the eyebrow lady really messed up my brows. As you can see, this brow starts from here and this brow is all the way in here because she took out like half of my brow. I look like an idiot, but it's fine. I'm just quickly gonna add some highlight, which is nothing new. It's the same old Champagne Pop by Becca. I love drugstore highlights way more than high-end ones because there are some really good ones out there. Yep, that's it. I'm not really a cheek highlight person anymore. I'm just gonna do like a glowy blush that will set the blush that I have already. By the way, this is my most favorite baked blush. This is Rose. I'm not even gonna try. I'm just gonna put the name somewhere out here. It's this red but orange but red with some golden, and it's so pretty. You need it in your life. Makes you so glowy in such a subtle way. Perfect to run some errands. Why am I so aggressive today? Nobody said anything to me. Literally no one. I don't know why I'm so angry today. I just wanted to share this very nice lip liner. The lip liner from MAC in the shades in the shade Spice. A little fun fact, they used this on Jennifer Aniston a lot on Friends. This was their go-to lip liner for her, and when I heard that, I was like, first of all, I need to have this in my life. And then like I saw the swatch and I was like, oh my god, this is the perfect brown, reddish brown, like you'll see in a second. Yeah guys, I don't know how to line my lips. Please don't go by this. Wow, good job. Isn't that the most beautiful reddish brown? This I've been reaching out for a lot lately. This is the Lifter Gloss by Maybelline in the shade Stone. It's beautiful. There is a new setting spray that I absolutely love. I mean, it's not new, but I recently started using it. This is the Photo Finish setting spray by Smashbox, and it literally, it's glue. It's glue. It's hairspray, extreme hold hairspray for your face. It's not actually glue. It's not actually hairspray. Like, relax. This is so good. 1,000 hours later, and your makeup will still look the same. It will look like this. Lastly, L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara is everything. Like if you're looking for a mascara that paints each and every strand of your eyelashes, she's the one. While lengthening and while oddly voluminizing without making it goopy. Like you can put layers and layers and layers and layers of this mascara and your mascara will still look fluttery but voluminous and long. Basically, ladies and gentlemen, putting her in and out is like really difficult. That's the one thing I struggle with this mascara. L'Oreal, fix it. It's been ages. Like so many people complain about this. What's wrong with you? That's just one coat, guys. Just look at that difference. I'm gonna layer more. Like who needs fake lashes when Telescopic can do this for you? Also, I have like really less hair on this eye, so this eye is gonna look shitty no matter what mascara I use. So I need fake lashes. She's the one who needs fake lashes. It's okay. It's okay. So the makeup is done. Hair is also done only. Like I'm not really doing anything. I'm just gonna keep it open. She's pretty today. She's giving a very nice I'm dry and damaged AF vibe. And I'm okay with it because I'm the one who damaged her and made her this dry. So I'm pretty sure since I've done makeup, I feel like I should do something cute. Hold up. Yes, my stomach is speaking through. I'm bloated. I'm on my period, so I'm just gonna roll with it. This one, this like plaid thing, and do like a inner and inside. Oh my god. Guys, listen. I love it. It's so cute. It's simple. It's summer. And I think I'm gonna do with these. What do you guys think? So I have these like little socks with cute little things on them. She's not the vibe today. Those are not the colors. By the way, I'm just gonna get something exchanged. There's absolutely no reason for me to be this extra about my outfit, but I think I'm gonna go with the rainbow. Tie my shoelaces. Do you guys ever feel lazy to open the shoelaces and try to shove your foot in? Works, saves time. I'm adding these like two different white and blue earrings because I'm cool. The truth is that I can't find the other blue earring. That's the truth about this whole decision. But we're just gonna go with I'm cool. And this bag. And the look is complete with the bag. Okay, chill. So that's the completed look, and that's it for today's video. If y'all do enjoy any of the products that I recommend today, don't forget to comment down below and let me know. And if y'all enjoyed this rubbish video where absolutely nothing is happening and I'm just getting ready to do nothing, do let me know and I'll make more of those for you guys. And if y'all do like us, and if y'all do love Business of Must, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if y'all haven't already. Just so close to 2K. It's insane. And yeah, we love you guys so much and I cannot wait to see you guys again.